This is how you motion track in Premiere Pro. So first of all, obviously you add your clip, and then you want to put on a transform, and then you want to put a ruler and this other one on. You want to enable this, and yeah, line it up. I've already got it obviously, but this is what you do. You just do it in the middle, and yeah, you want to put keyframes and set your object you want on in the middle, and then you just keyframe it as you see I'm doing it here. Just keep doing this every couple of keyframes. You just move it along so it's in the middle. And then yeah, after you've done that, this should be your final result.